But a transaction voucher, a journal voucher is a bit different. It has both the details, that is the debit and the credit accounts. Let us understand the format for transfer voucher as well. It has the name of the firm. So this is the name of the firm here. Voucher number, dated. It has details of the accounts to be debited. Which account to be debited? It has the details of the account to be credited. Which account to be credited now? There is a total narration here. The amount to be debited in front of debit, the amount to be credited in front of credit, and lastly it must be duly signed by the accountant and must be countersigned by some senior manager or senior functionary. Now students, accounting equation. What is an accounting equation? Accounting equation is a statement which shows the fundamental relationship between three accounting values. It says that in any business, assets are equal to capital plus liabilities. Now let us recall what are assets, what is capital, and what is liability. What are assets? Assets are things of value owned by a business. Things of value owned by a business. Assets represent the economic resources of a business. I'll write it here. They are economic resources. Now students, coming to capital. What is capital? Capital is the claim of the owners. It is the amount which has been invested by the owners in the business. Then, what are liabilities? They are the claims of the outsiders. Now, let us take some examples. Liabilities are claims of outsiders, so they include bank loans, creditors, etc. Assets, they are economic resources. They include cash, bank, stock, etc. So now what accounting equation says is that whatever the resources are there in the business, these resources are a sum total of the money invested by the owner and the money that the business has borrowed from the outsiders. This accounting equation also illustrates the double entry concept. Now students, it illustrates double entry concepts. Double entry concept. Let us recall this concept as well. As per this concept, every transaction has two aspects and both of them should be recorded.